Come with me and the Tennessee Acupuncture Council to do community acupuncture in Hartford, Tennessee. Just got to Hartford, Tennessee, and we'll be doing some volunteer and community acupuncture today, where we'll be treating those in the community, but also the volunteers helping with the hurricane effort and the relief. So are supporting this event. Thank you so much to our donors and our vendors and all our donations, because we wouldn't be able to do this without them.